Present section describe the features of economic policy between the period 1951 to 1991 as under. First, heavy reliance on public sector. Economic policy before 1991 indicate heavy dependency on public sector. For that, 17 industries were reserved for public sector as against 12 industries were reserved for private sector, so that socialist objective of planning can be achieved. Next, regulated development of private sector. According to Industries Act 1948, new industries in the private sector could not be established without a license and registration. It means no new industries was allowed to open without getting license from the government. Next है protection of small scale industries and regulation of large scale industries. Small scale industries was offered protection from competition. Certain areas of production were reserved for SSI, particularly labor intensive industries such as ready-made garments, chemicals and leather products. These industries were also given concession such as lower excise duty and bank loans at lower interest rate so that these industries can be protected. Next, development of heavy industries. Industries like of electricity generation, engineering goods, iron and steel industries were also developed. Automobile industries also started growing. Next, self-sufficiency in food grains. Due to the technical reforms like Green Revolution, India became self-sufficient in terms of food grains. Next है focus on import substitution. Import substitution means it implied domestic production of goods which were imported from abroad. The basic idea was to save foreign exchange and become self-sufficient. Protection from foreign competition. Domestic industries was protected from foreign competition by charging heavy import duties. Focus on saving and investment. Saving and investment were also the key factor of economic growth. High interest rates were offered to promote saving, while investment was increased through subsidies. These were the basic features of Planning Commission in India till 1991.